Let's talk now to Dr. Maya Singer Hobbs, who's Senior Research Fellow at the IPPR. Good to have you here. And, we're here from the boss who says that this is a way of growing the economy. But is there any way to do this whilst also meeting our climate targets?
Yeah, so it's a really important question. And current sort of the government's own Jet Zero strategy, which is sort of how it looks at an aviation sector, in order to meet climate commitments there, it relies really heavily on sort of various technologies that aren't proven and some sort of demand reduction, or that means, fewer passengers. And so I think there's a real challenge there. I think there's also an interesting challenge here about the growth angle. And I think that there's research that suggests that actually airport expansion might not be the best way to sort of deliver growth. We understand the need for growth, particularly to sort of improve living standards. But I think there's a real risk that more investment in Heathrow is more investment in the southeast of the country. And we're leaving bits of the north with sort of underinvestment there.
Yes, I want to ask then, what is the alternative? If it's not Heathrow, and we'll know so many passengers who get very frustrated, they spend hours circling above London because they can't land. What's the alternative?
Yeah, so I think that what we would want to see is investment, whether that's private investment or public investment by the government, in delivering projects, infrastructure projects that deliver growth in the regions. So that might mean, improving, rail connectivity in the north, or it might mean government sending a really clear signal about the sort of investment that it wants to see. Maybe that's onshore wind, maybe it's car manufacturing, to sort of deliver sort of jobs and growth in other bits of the country outside the southeast.
Yeah, we'll keep a close eye on it. Sorry to keep it short, but time is tight on the programme. Dr. Maya, thank you so much for being with us, Senior Research Fellow there at the IPPR.